I have Dr. Srivats from Bangalore, a very renowned homeopathic physician practicing over 35 years. He is a guest lecturer for our channel. Sir, please welcome. उनका प्रैक्टिस का तरीका जो है, he comes very fast to the remedy. वो फटाफट इट्स लाइक मटर रेमेडी का और रिकवरी मुखोदगत है सब कुछ. तो मैं फटाफट डिसीज़ बाय डिसीज़ में जाऊँगा. सर, कॉमन कोल्ड हो रहा है सा, छींके आना, इसमें दवाइयाँ बताइए.
Okay. See, after the COVID has come, the first COVID was not very problematic, but the second COVID which came in 2021, since then, common remedies are not working for common cold. We have to think a little away from that. We used to give allium cepa and set right the sneezing. Now allium cepa is not working. Ammonium carb was there, even that is also not working. The best remedy for you to see immediate results, and you want the patient to stick with you, influenzinum 1M, 3 times 3 days. The patient is with you, he will not go. You see, influenzinum, we never think about it. So that is a wonderful remedy for just a common cold.
एंड स्नीजिंग वेरी कॉमनली पेशेंट बोलते हैं कि मुझे सुबह में बहुत सारी छींकें आती है जब मैं उठता हूँ.
हाँ, तो ammonium carb is the right remedy for that. But since the COVID, ammonium carb action has been reduced by 50%. Here you have to think about natrum Rs. Natrum Rs will give you wonderful result. But once the sneezing comes down and the patient will have other symptoms like running nose, nose block. When such symptoms they come, usually Calibike used to work, or Cuprium used to work, or Sticta used to work. Now we have to think a little away from them is Lebna minor. Lebna minor is doing the job of all three remedies. We are able to do it.
Which potency will you recommend?
You can start with 200.
200. Yes. Another very common respiratory complaint is cough. Nowadays, cough do not relieve within 2-3 days. It takes weeks or month even.
So, in such conditions, prolonged cough, you'll have to think of a very wonderful remedy is Coccus cacti. In 200 potency, if you give Coccus cacti, you will see the same results what we used to see in other common remedies. Another remedy where normally people, because of the weather, even in cold winter, people would like to have ice cream. In such conditions, Mephitis 200 works wonders. That is also a beautiful remedy. Sometimes prolonged cough doesn't come down, or if it is after fever, it doesn't come down. You have to think about conium. Conium works very well. These are all only 3 days. Within 3 days, he will be alright. Even then, if it doesn't come down, then you have to think of Ambra Gricia. Ambra Gricia 200 is a very good remedy for cough to bring it down.
Yes. So, this is about respiratory complaint. Now we will shift to some GI tract complaints. Sir, common remedies for acidity. Acidity लोग हमारे यहाँ पर ITs में काम करते हैं, बहुत सारा बैठ कर वर्क फ्रॉम होम दे हैव ग्रोन फैट, वज़न बढ़ रहा है, एक जगह पर काम करना पड़ता है 12-14 घंटे. तो ऐसे में एसिडिटी एपीडीज आर वेरी कॉमन. तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे?
Here there are two issues. One, you told they don't all people in front of them, they don't exercise. In such conditions, you can think about Robenia. Robenia 200 will do very good work. Else, if there is lot of gas where they pass the flatus or there is burps, more of flatus, normally we used to give lycopodium. Now lycopodium is not working after COVID. Carbon sulf is working. Carbon sulf 200 is giving wonderful results. Sometimes some certain obstinate cases in gas, they don't come under control. In such conditions, we have to give Carbo Animalis, which is a deeper acting remedy compared to Carbo Veg. Both are similar, but one is vegetable, another is animal. So Carbo Animalis will do better work.
Yes. Vomiting is a very common issue in children as well as youngsters who go for parties and then they come home. जागना होता है तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग दे गेट वेरी एसिडिक bilious vomiting. So what will you suggest?
Bismuth. Bismuth metallicum is a very good remedy after they enjoy a party or after the party when they travel and they vomit, Cocculus indicus will work. Or after party when they vomit and there is a pain in the right side of the abdomen, you can think about Iris versicularis.
Iris versa.
Iris versicularis will stop the vomiting immediately. These are very good remedies.
Yes. Very nowadays a very common condition और सोनोग्राफी पर देखने को मिलता है कि फैटी लिवर एंड गॉल स्टोन्स. These are very common entities which could be even an accidental finding also while doing a sonography. So fatty liver in youngsters that too. जो नॉन अल्कोहलिक है उनमें भी फैटी लिवर का जो दिखाई देता है सोनोग्राफी में, और इस पर आपके क्या विचार हैं?
Fatty liver, why it comes? Because we Indians would like to have good food. स्वादिष्ट खाना हम पसंद करते हैं, तो स्वादिष्ट खाना कहाँ से कैसा बनेंगे? Excess oil, excess salt, excess masala, you know, and excess seasoning. All these things will definitely disturb the system. Given mother tincture is Cardus marinus. This is a very, very good Cardus mar. This is a very good remedy for fatty liver. It will bring it down. Otherwise, there is for gall sludge, gall polyp and gall stones. We have very good remedy for it. Area is another mother tincture. You can successfully treat gall cases. Gallstones will reduce in size. Some gallstones can disappear also. We have got wonderful results in our clinic. My son, Dr. Rohit, does a wonderful job on treating gallstones.
ग्रेट सर. कॉन्स्टिपेशन लगातार इवन बच्चे भी बोलते हैं, माँ भी बोलती है कि बच्चे को कॉन्स्टिपेशन है, या फिर एडल्ट्स में तो इट्स अ वेरी जहाँ पर डिस्कशन होता है कॉन्स्टिपेशन पर, मैं क्या लूँ, और मैं तो चूरन भी खाता हूँ, मैं इसबगोल भी खाता हूँ तो भी मुझे टॉयलेट नहीं होती है, तो ऐसे केसेस में आप
First remedy you can think is graphitis. Graphitis 200, bedtime you give only 3 pills for 7 days, constipation clear होएगा. यदि नहीं होएगा, plumbum metallicum 200 you have to give, again at bedtime, motion clear हो जाएगा. इसमें भी नहीं हुआ, then you can think about other common remedies like opium है, and then you
Alumina.
have alumina है, bryonia है, नक्सवामी का भी कभी कभार काम करता है, लेकिन ग्राफाइटिस एंड प्लम्बो मेटालिकम दे डू वंडरफुल जॉब.
Yes. This is Dr. Srivatsa for Homeopathy Fatafat for general practitioners. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you.